Hello, this is a video about 1.1 notes, which was intro to equations. And these just go in your composition notebook that you should have set up for this class. If you need help setting that up, please let me know. For intro to equations, we are going to work backwards to isolate the variable. There are a couple important words here. Isolate means to get something by itself. And variables, those are our unknown values that we are solving for. So in this case, our x's. When we work backwards, we are going to undo operations with their opposites. We've got two sets of opposite operations that we are going to be using right now in this unit. Addition is the opposite of subtraction. I like drawing this two-way arrow because it goes both ways. Addition is the opposite of subtraction, but subtraction is also the opposite of division. Multiplication, did I just misspeak? Addition is the opposite of subtraction, subtraction is the opposite of addition. I don't remember what I said. Multiplication is the opposite of division. Awesome. Okay. So we are going to do 3 examples. I'm going to split my page up into 4 chunks because that's what we did in class. But in class, we decided to not do the 4th example. So I'm going to split it up into 4 chunks. I'm going to cross off that last chunk. And we've got 3 examples to do. First one is 3x plus 2 equals 11. If you are a person, sorry about that. If you are a person who likes drawing a line down your equation, you can. We're going to do the same thing on both sides of our equal sign. We're going to subtract 2 from both sides because that'll get rid of that minus or that plus 2. Opposite of plus 2 is minus 2. Then let me put on do not disturb so no more notifications come in. There we go. All right, sorry about that. 3x plus 2, so we're going to subtract 2 from both sides. On the left side, we've got 3x. On the right side, we've got 11 minus 2, which is 9. Then we need to get x by itself. 3x means 3 times x, so we're going to divide both sides by 3. On the left side, we have x. On the right side, we have 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. That is our final answer. At the end of each problem, you need to clearly write your answer as x equals. If you don't think I'm going to be able to find your answer, go ahead and put a circle or a box around it. Next example we have is negative 2x minus 7 equals negative 3. For this one, to get that negative 2x by itself, we've got to get rid of the plus, or this negative 7. We're going to do that by adding 7 to both sides. I don't know why this iPad's being weird. It's not letting me write normally. So add 7 to both sides. The left side, we've got negative 2x. On the right side, we've got negative 3 plus 7, which is 4. Then to get x by itself, we're going to divide both sides by negative 2. On the left, we have x. On the right side, we have 4 divided by negative 2, which is negative 2. And the reason why we divided by negative 2 right here is because we are multiplying by negative 2 in the step up above. I forgot to mention that while I was solving. We've got one last problem to do. We are going to do negative x plus 14 equals negative 2. For this problem, we're going to start it the same way. We're going to get rid of that 14, but we don't have a number with our x. We do, however, have a negative sign in front of our x. And I put this example on here on purpose because that negative in front of our x always throws people off. So negative x is the same thing as negative 1x. So we'll be able to get rid of that 1 here in a moment. So we'll start by subtracting 14 from both sides. We'll have negative 1x on the left. On the right side, we have negative 2 minus 14, which is negative 16. And then to get x by itself, we will get rid of that negative 1. It's currently negative 1 times x. So we'll divide both sides by negative 1. On the left, we have x. On the right, we have negative 16 divided by negative 1. Negative divided by a negative is positive. 16 divided by 1 is 16. Awesome. That is 1.1 notes. Again, those are supposed to go in your notebook. If you took them on a separate sheet of paper, we can always tape or glue it into your notebook. And then make sure you've done your 1.1 quick write, which is on the agenda where you found this video, and your 1.1 assignment, which I have your paper copy in class. Or if you need a new paper copy, I can get you a new one. That is all.